Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy, Slick Pits. That's right. It is Sunday, and I am bringing to you a little review, unboxing and review for you. This is a fragrance that I actually picked up last night. It is called American Novelist. It is a very wonderful, leathery scented cologne. This is by Esquire. American Novelist. It is by Michael Malol and the Malol series. He actually did a huge series for Esquire. Um, I'm actually shooting this video from my phone because I'm having some issues with my computer and editing and blah, 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 blah. So we're going to do this one shot because I'm a one shot, one take kind of guy. So American Novelist. This is a wonderful, if you're into leathery fragrances. So this actually, it tells you right on the back. So you can read a lot of your really good notes to this. Your top notes are Italian bergamot, your fresh juniper, and wild mint. You've also got mid notes of clary sage, basil, and leather, with base notes of upcycled cedar wood, moss, and pine Siberian. So you can definitely, like I said, that's all your good notes on the back. So we open this guy up, and this is a 3.4 milliliter fluid ounce, sorry, 3.4 fluid ounces. And this is the bottle of American Novelist. Went through a lot of different senses last night. Had the wife with me. Of course, it's one thing if I smell good. I think certain sentences smell amazing. The wife may or may not. At the end of the day, she's the one that has to smell me. So, but she knows I am a huge fan of leather, the leather senses. I typically will wear African leather from Memo Paris. I've also got French leather. A couple others coming as well. But right now, this is American Novelist. When it hits your nose, I will say this is a very traditional and more of an old school scent to me. I think it's very warm. It's very woodsy. I loved the overall scent to it. To me, it literally, I could close my eyes when I smell it. It reminds me of my home. It reminds me of sitting in my backyard with the creek running and the woods and the wonderful senses that I get outdoors. It is a great scent to wear that you could wear this all day as a work environment. But you know what? It's also super classy and smells amazing if you wanted to wear it as an evening scent to go out. Extremely versatile. And for a guy like myself that wears different colognes all the time, a bottle of this size, it's going to last me. It's going to last me for quite a while. Price-wise, it's not a bottom end. It's a little mid-rangey. Out the door, I was about $130 on this bottle. Again, it's not something I'm going to wear every single day, but it's for a wonderful mid, not super high. If I'm talking super high scents, I'm talking Tom Ford, some Creed Aventus type stuff like that. Those bottles are running $350 and up. Sometimes you look Memo Paris, you're looking at $310 for any of those bottles. They are premium. They're definitely premium. Aventus just has one route right now that's actually a limited edition. That's $600 or so. And of course, I've seen a bottle of Baccarat Rouge that was $900. So I'm not trying to go way up here, but if you guys are looking for something that is extremely classy, a wonderful all-around scent for men, I will highly, highly recommend Esquire's American Novelist. I think it smells amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Get yourself into just trying to get into some better, nicer stuff. I've got a new suit that's going to be coming soon. I did a whole massive fitting setup last night. I did not bring cameras with me to film all that stuff because it was like 2 hours of me standing there getting fitted and all types of craziness. However, my next trip to the store, when I do go to get that full order done, I will bring the camera. I will introduce you to Matthew, who is amazing over at Dillard's in Little Rock, Arkansas, and they have a complete new custom fitting and design setup that it was a fantastic experience.
and I will be ordering this new suit, so I will have you guys there. When you see the swatches, they're already picked out, but we're going to show those and make it official when we get this order, and we'll just kind of progress through that. So outside of that, happy Sunday. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, and I hope you all feel good, look good, and smell good. Even rocking one of the Earnshaw watches because they're amazing. And there's a couple new sets and stuff like that coming out from Earnshaw. Do me a favor, if you're on my YouTube, you're on any of my channels, hit that like and subscribe button down there. Do me that massive favor as I'm working hard to get to the 1 million. So, much appreciated, everybody. I'm your boy Slick Bits, and I'm out of here.